recap are the concepts which I had covered in our last session. So actually from last 1 week onwards, we've been discussing about session management. So you know already what is a session. It's a time period between user login and log off. And there are different ways are there to manage the user's session, like by using cookies, HTTP session, URL rewriting, hidden form fields. So first starting we discussed about cookie. We already did a small project on that. And now today, from today onwards, yeah, we already covered theoretical information related to HTTP session, URL rewriting, and hidden form fields. But we did not discuss anything related to coding. So from today onwards, we are going to start a project which involves HTTP session, URL rewriting, and hidden form fields also. All these three concepts will be covered in this particular project. So I'm guessing this project may be completed within 4 to 5 days, maybe 5 to 6 days, depending upon the way how you are writing the code. So in this project, mostly you will write the code. Okay. Whenever a new concept comes, definitely I'll try to help you with that. Like for example, up to now we did not discuss anything about HTTP session. So that lines of code, I'll let you know. Am I clear with that? All right. And by the way, just one last time, please tell me, we know that we will be able to set the attributes on three objects. Setting the attributes on three objects. What are those three objects? Servlet request, servlet context, HTTP session. We already discussed about servlet request. We already discussed about servlet context. So from today onwards, we'll see HTTP session also. And I already told you what is the difference between servlet context and config. But again, with the help of separate code, we'll be trying to look at it. Wait for it. So this week, entire this week, we'll speak about mostly our project. Is that clear? So basically, this is the layout. What do you think? I'm sorry. First, you want to write, or else first you will code. It's easily you'll be able to complete this part one. Good. The only new thing is HTTP session. I'll explain that HTTP session, but first have this layout. Good. Now, guys, you please tell me, basing on this layout, first what we need to do. I'm sorry. Create database. Obviously, how many tables? Three tables. And now in these three tables, only in admin table, pass one row, pass one record, only for admin. Remaining customer and product, no need to pass anything. We'll try to pass the data directly from our project. Okay. So these, just a second. Let me try to, this is customer, this is product, and this is admin data, which is present in my system. Go ahead. Database tables completed. And start the code, start the project. Please give the project name as e-commerce. The project name, dynamic web project, e-commerce, just e-commerce. Make sure to check dynamic web module version 4.0. Give a click on next, next. Make sure to select generate web.xml. Finish. And now in this particular project, you know that we'll be using JDBC also. So add both the jar files in the build path. Go to new, select, okay, build path, configure build path, add external jars, Servlet API and database jar file. And I told you to add database jar file in the lib folder. Copy paste it. Please make sure to do that. Web WebNF lib. That's it. So follow the layout. Tell me first what we need to create. Admin login. I mean index.html. Go ahead. Feel free. I am not going to give the code. Onyx. Okay, I'll just try to make it as just a small heading. Italic. Okay. After that, form action. Form action. You know what? Not form action. Directly, I need to give the anchor tags. So form action is not required. Form action is not required. A to anchor tags, admin login, customer login. Admin login to customer login. Okay, for admin login, href, admin login admin, admin login dot html, and for customer login, customer login dot html. Okay, just let me try to use two break statements. Done. Web.xml. Let me just try to give index.html. Done. Okay. Let me just try to execute. Right click, run on the server. Select the server, give a click on next. Yep. Admin login, customer login. Cool. Now here, if I gave a click on admin login, it should be going to admin login.html. So obviously we need to create one more new HTML admin 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 login dot html. Okay. Give a click on next and finish. Admin login admin login dot html. Okay. Now inside this, just center tag h1. Okay, just for understanding purpose, I just want to write u admin admin login. Okay, just br, two break statements. Now admin login. Obviously user and password. So here we need to go with the form. Okay, form. Now here ACTAN form action equal to, let me just try to go like a log, admin login, a log, method post. Okay. Now username input type equal to text name just like this. PASSWRD WT. That's it. Now after that input type equal LOGIN login. Let me just try to check that here. Refresh admin login. Yes. Username, password, login. As simple as this. That what we need to do. User and password, we need to go to admin login solid. But first we need to go with the DAO now. Let us try to create. Yeah, Jyoti, absolutely. Let's try to create DAO package. Make sure to give the package names correctly. com.dao, com.servlet. Make sure to give them correctly, please. com.bean. Okay, so new package com.dao package finish. And obviously I need a servlet package also. So new package com.servlets servlets servlets. And I need one more package for bean. You already know that. New package com.beans package. Just I'm going to write like this. Finish. Okay. Now inside this DAO class, DB connect, DB info, exactly the same. Yep. First, we have written DB info. Basically, that's an interface. After that, we wrote DB connect. Done. Now, what we need to write? DB info, DB connect is already done. Admin, login, DAO. Sure. You know what? Not admin, login, DAO. We need to get a bean class now. Yes, bean class. So first, right click, go to new class admin, ADMN admin bean. Okay, finish. Now insert this admin bean. Okay, implements serializable. Implements serializable. After that, PRIVAT private string. Okay. Just I'm going to write A underscore. Copy. Username, password, first name, last to generate setters and getters, phone number. That's it. Now let me try to generate setters and getters. Select all. Generate. After that, make sure to write a public default constructor. Just like that. Done. Guys, this is not at all a new code. You already know this. Just simply setters and getters. That's it. Login.html, index.html, admin login.html. I guess it's complete for everyone. You are coding. Or what you are coding? Bean class, DB connect, DB info, admin login DAO. How many of you complete admin login? Let me try to complete the DAO class. I gave you a lot of time. I need to create admin login DAO. Right click on the DAO package, go to new, select class, ADMN admin login DAO. Okay, finish. This is my DAO class. Inside this, let me try to create a method, public void check, check admin login, login, check admin login. Please make sure to give your method names meaningful method names. Okay, so don't go with method 1, method 2 like that. Please make sure to give meaningful method names. And here, okay, string uname string upwd. Our return type for this, I'm going to write admin bean. Okay, so first admin bean, let me go like ab equal to null return return null. First, let me remove that. Okay. Now, after that, let me just try to write try cat here db2 statement, and what is the query? SELECT select star name equal to question mark and or comma. Come on. And keyword, just keyword, and keyword equal to question mark. Is the query correct? Select star from admin where username and password. That's it, done. And equal to PSTMT belongs to prepared statement. All right. Now after that, PSTMT dot set string one. This is uname. After that, obviously, PSTMT dot set string two, that is UPWD. Okay. Now after that, PSTMT dot execute execute query. We already know that equal to RS belongs to a result set. Okay. Now please tell me what we need to use if or while. If is enough. If RS give this to AB. Okay. Now after that, AB dot set username RS dot get 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally, I'm having 7. Now, after that, this is set last name, sure. Password, set first name. Okay. Set last name. After that, address, mail ID. Where is mail ID? MID and phone number. Phone number. Okay. Let me just try to use like this. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just like that. His name, password, first name, last name, address, mail ID, and phone number. Done. Everything is done. Okay. I added to those to my object and I'm just returning that object. That's it. AB. All right. So this is admin login DAO. I'm gonna give you a minute time for everyone. Feel free to check. If anyone did not complete it, feel free to check. 1 minute. So now let's try to create Servlet. We already done with index.html, admin login.html. DAO is also completed. Now we need to deal with admin login servlet. Sure. Let's try to create servlet. Inside com.servlets package, go to new, select a class, ADMN admin, login servlet, LOGN login, SERV. Okay. Admin login servlet. Finish. So we already know this. Admin login servlet, EXTNDS extends, HTTP servlet. And first, let me try to write the annotation. What is the annotation we have used? I think a log. Yeah, sure. A log slash. Yeah, slash a log. Now, after that, we use the post now. PROTECTD protected void do post method. Okay. And I told you, make sure to use the annotation at the rate override. And after that, HTTP servlet request REQ comma HTTP servlet. So new admin login DAO dot check same. Basically, whatever the data which is entered by the user, same data I'm going to pass. So in our admin login, what is the name? A name, and here APWD. Done. Return type is it's a bean. So equal to a bean equal to null. Post dot expired. Session expired. Now I will forward this. Request dot get request dispatcher to admin login.html. Okay. To ADMN admin request response. I did not write this inside try catch. Not required actually. Let me just try to write throws servlet exception comma IO part. Now, in the else part, guys, yesterday, whenever you are writing the theory, I told you there is one method to acquire HTTP session object. What is that method? It's a two version method. One without any parameters, one Boolean parameter I told you. Say loudly. Get session. Get session. The method name itself is get session. And yeah, yes. So here request dot get session. Its return type is a session. Okay, done. Now I'll be trying to set the attributes on this session. Okay, session dot. I'm passing my a bean as a parameter. Session dot set attribute. JSP. So request dot get request dispatcher admin home dot JSP. Okay. After this, you need to create. Admin home.jsp. You already wrote that layout in your notes. After completing admin home.jsp, this is admin home.jsp. Feel free to send me your screenshot. Okay. Mohammed, you're asking, sir, how get session will give session information of that particular admin? Because, we didn't provide any type of reference. Absolutely, Mohammed. Here, we are using get session method with the help of REQ request. This request is actually the parameter for this method do post. This do post method is present inside HTTP servlet. This HTTP servlet is a child class for admin login servlet. So that is the reason you will be getting information related to this admin login servlet. Clear? Okay. Guys, you need to figure this out. Admin home.jsp. Remember, in admin home.jsp, you need to display the name of the admin. Display the name of the admin. And after that, add product, view product, logout. These are the anchor tags. Dot. That's it. That's it for today. In short, HTML. After the info, DB Connect, admin bean, you know it. Admin login DAO. Admin login servlet.